Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York. It is Tuesday, October 10th, 2017, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Nice upside moves in both gold and silver today, with gold trading about $5.30 higher, settling at $12.9030. That's after trading within a couple of dollars of $1,300 when it went to $12.9680 in morning trading. Silver also trading higher on the day, up 16 cents at $17.14, and that is all in light of a lower U.S. dollar, which is responsible for, I believe, over 100% of spot pricing in terms of the rise in gold. Dollar index 93.06, down 44 points on the day. So traders, now for the third consecutive day in a row, we do have gold prices rising and rising fairly dramatically after hitting a low at $12.62. This was back on Friday of last week. It did close in solid territory, but closed still below $12.80. I really wanted to see the market break above $12.84, which is a 50% retracement of the entire rally up, and then the subsequent retracement coming down before actually taking a stab at the market, because I wanted very solid confirmation that we did in fact witness a pivot point as this market came down, hit these lows on Friday, and then of course began to trade higher. Gold is currently trading at $12.91, putting it up about $6 on the day. We, of course, did initiate long positions yesterday. And traders, although I believe that inevitably gold prices will climb and climb substantially during this rally, I also believe that this rally is going to be composed of many peaks and valleys, so to speak. So to that end, we want to be aware of where different levels of resistance could come into play. And the first level of resistance, and it could be fairly major because it is at a century mark, is the 38% retracement, which sits at 1303. So it is really 1300. That is a number that we will be looking at. We can absolutely see that this area has provided levels of resistance in the past, as we can see here and here. We can also see that once the market broke above 1300, as in the instant at the end of August, we really had a tremendous flight following that, and that propelled the market up to the yearly highs at around 1362. But before 1362, as I said, we've got 1300, and then we have a minor level of resistance at 1326. That is the 23% retracement. And once again, it's a retracement of the entirety of this rally from 1200 to 1363. Although we did not put out a specific buy recommendation in silver, we are absolutely aware that many of our subscribers will initiate long positions in silver when we initiate long positions in gold. To that end, I want to take a quick look at silver and plot out some of our various levels that silver traders should be aware of and look at as this market continues to run through this rally. First of all, we had dynamic support in silver when it rested at a 61% retracement. That comes in roughly at 1635. Now, this particular retracement goes from the beginning of a rally when silver was trading down at around 1520 up to these tops just above 1825. We saw the market break above the 50% retracement, which I believe was a fairly significant level. And the reason I believe that is that we can see an area of resistance here and an area of support right here, all over this particular price point of about, call it 1672, right in that area, 1675. And then today's trading, we broke above the 38% retracement area, which sits at 1709. Market is currently trading at 1714. The next real area I believe we could see some potential resistance is going to come in between 1750 and 1756, with the absolute top or real solid resistance at approximately 1755 to 1765. Therefore, My recommendation is to maintain your current long positions as well as maintaining your current stops. Traders, on a technical basis, we certainly got confirmation with this being the third consecutive day in which we are witnessing gold trading at higher pricing. We've got that perfect V pivot, and I believe that we are going to see gold trade to higher pricing. On today's show, we spoke about various levels that I feel we could see some resistance come in, but for the meantime, we should be welcoming the ride. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.